Hi, today in front of me UleFone Armor 17 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So we should first launch the Play Store app, and in the search pool enter the Ampere to get this application. So now just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click yes, I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. So now we can see here the new information about battery health. In my case, the battery is in good condition. Also, you can check here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, model, Android version, and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.